Hi there, this is Ed from Happy Hot Tubs. Today we're going to show you how to flush, drain and refill your hot tub. So why do we need to drain and refill the water in our hot tub? While to the naked eye this water looks good and clean, over time the water begins to deteriorate and becomes hard to balance, so we need to refresh the water in our spa. We recommend to do this every 3 to 4 months. So the first part of the process is to flush our hot tub. But before we do anything, we need to remove anything floating in the water, including scum sponges, floating dispensers, anything like that. And then we also need to remove our filters. This is the filter compartment on this hot tub. So I'll pop those out. And make sure you remove any silver cartridges or floating dispensers that might be in the filter too. So now we need to run a flush through the system. Today we're going to use Silk Balance Clean Start, which is a premium flush available from Happy Hot Tubs. So the first thing we need to do is turn the jets onto full. Then we need to run this through the system. So you need to pour this into the filter housing. So as you can see, we've only just put the flush in and you're already starting to get a build-up of biofilm around the edge. We need to leave this for 15 to 30 minutes to run all the way through, and then we will start to drain and wipe it down. Once we flush through, we're using a Happy Hot Tubs 400 watt sub pump with some rigid hose to drain down the hot tub. So I've turned off the hot tub at the isolator switch, and now we're going to start to drain with the submersible pump. While the hot tub is draining, just need to wipe down any residue from the flush. You can use the wastewater, or you can use a surface cleaner product, but either or. For now I'm just using the wastewater from the hot tub because it's being drained anyway. So I've just mopped out the last of the water, so just giving it a quick wipe round as well. It's fully drained. Now we're ready to refill the spa. So the filters are all rinsed, ready to go back in, but for now we just pop the hose in through the filter housing, and that's just to help prevent airlocks because you then fill the pipework first. So just straight in through the filter housing, and now we're just going to wait for it to fill. So we're full now, we're above all the top jets, and we're just below the pillow with enough water level for the filters to pull the water. So I can remove the hose. I've replaced the silver iron in the filter, and the filters are nice and clean in there, ready to go. So the next step is to balance the water. I'm using the Hot Spring 5-way test strips, and I've got some Happy chlorine granules ready to give the water a nice good shock. Dip the strip for 2 seconds, pull it out and shake off the excess and compare the colours. So our alkalinity is slightly high, as is our pH. Our chlorine level is obviously very low because it's tap water. So what we'll do for now, we'll put some chlorine in the water to boost the chlorine levels. First thing to do is put the jets on full or on a clean cycle if you have that feature. And then I'm adding a shock dose of chlorine granules as we've just refilled the spa. So that's just to get a base level of chlorine into the hot tub. Now we're going to test again, and you'll see that the chlorine level has obviously jumped up because we have boosted it with granules. Like I say, we'll wait till tomorrow until the temperature's above 26 degrees to balance the pH and alkalinity. Thanks for watching our video on how to flush, drain and refill your hot tub. You can head over to happyhottubs.co.uk to find the products we use and more helpful advice, or pop into one of our shops if you want to speak to one of our team.
happyhottubs.co.uk